Well, out here October 14th, getting ready to plant some wheat. Disced it yesterday and disking it again, pulling the rolling harrow, and that makes a pretty nice seed bed. Got spots where it kind of fills up in mud, but at least it beats the chunks down and you get good seed to soil contact with it. Planting wheat here. Rented another farm here, and the landowner, a pretty sizable farm, and the landowner wanted to try part of it in organic crops, which is fine. We've been kind of talking about doing that for a couple years. See if maybe we could make a little more doing that, not have to farm more ground. So we're excited to see how it turns out. This chunk of land here goes around the pasture, and I'm going to try this. You got to have a 3-year transition period before you can sell an organic crop. So we're going to plant wheat here on this piece to get some decent, hopefully start out in the spring, have some decent weed control. And one of the others broken up into 3 sections, this field, and one of the other sections we're going to put some alfalfa out, and then we haven't decided what we're going to do on the 3rd section yet. Probably either try some oats if we can find a market, and then put a cover crop out after the oats, or maybe some ryegrass or something. We might do some cover crops on the rest of on the other fields, and grow our own ryegrass for that. So what's happening here. Getting ready to start seeding here in a little bit. Dad had to run and just couldn't get the drill to do, borrow the drill, and just couldn't get it to do quite what we wanted it to do. So you want to get a set of drag harrows we had, pull behind it just to try to make sure we get the best stand as we can. Now, you can't get a good stand of wheat that you just might as well write off having a good yield, because you really got to have a good stand. And it would have like that. It seeded about 2 weeks ago, but didn't have it seeded, and so didn't have a chance to seed it or anything. And with the late year, but we're supposed to get some warm weather here towards the end of the week, so hopefully it'll germinate quick and get popped up and whatnot. Alrighty, out here filling up the drill, planting some wheat. About a 1/3 done at the field here. Planting 120 pounds the acre. Kind of late to be planting wheat around here, so I need to figure up the population in case not everything germinates. Normally we plant treated wheat, but got to plant for an organic crop. Got to plant. You have 3 years and no, chemicals or anything or commercial fertilizers. You got to plant non-treated seed and non-GMO seed if applicable. So we vacuumed out in the drill and the wagon and stuff. We gotta have it just clean to get certified. wife's out here helping me. He ran the 9330 earlier discing. This isn't our drill. We've got an old Oliver Superior drill. But we borrowed this from a neighbor. Just get done a little quicker. Probably gonna end up buying a drill because we're gonna have lots of grass crops to do and stuff, or buy a newer drill. It's pretty light on the front end and you get it full of seed. Only got 7 weights up front, and we could use about 4 more, and power front axle would really be the way to go. Actually, I forgot. I was heading down this through here and looked back and noticed I was about out of seed, and got some handy little windows down there in the bottom of the box that let you know when you're getting low on seed. Use a light bar instead of the markers, but it's kind of, with the single tires, it's just kind of rocky out here, and doesn't, not like a bunch of rocks, but it tips back, you know, from side to side too much. Planting a brand of wheat called Kitchen Seeds. They're an Amish company. It's south of us about a half an hour or so, and they got a lot of, I think we'll probably be using them quite a bit. They got, you know, a lot of varieties of stuff, you know, different seeds and specialty crops. And they got it all on hand right there. They don't have to get anything in. You just tell them what you want, go down and get it. hopefully we get some rain in this field to make it up in good shape and whatnot. But everybody, thanks for watching. There's more harvest videos coming up here. Got a long ways to go yet.